Hello students, in this video we will discuss about distance. Actually, distance is the total length of the path covered by a moving body during its motion. One again. And distance is the full length of the path, total length of the path covered by a body during its motion is called distance. So, see distance. Total length of the path covered by a body during motion is called distance. Note, distance is measured into meter. Unit of distance is meter. Means distance is measured into meter. Number one. Number two, distance needs only magnitude, no direction, so distance is a scalar quantity. Distance needs only magnitude. But no direction for its measurement. So it is a scalar quantity. Now, measurement of distance on different paths covered by a moving body. Measurement of distance covered by body or covered by a moving body on different paths. First, if body moves on its linear path, if body moves on straight line, otherwise we can say that if body moves on linear path. If body moves on linear path. For example, suppose it is a path. Here is origin point, or we can say that it is origin point. Otherwise, we can say that state point. So in this situation, we can say that suppose a body, a person is moving on this path. Person goes here to here. Suppose person goes here to here. So origin, otherwise we can say that it is reference point. It is, and now a person goes here to here and now here stops. So this point is the station point. So length of the reference point and station point, that will be the distance and that will be measured by this way. So here, so this part it covers, it goes here to here, so that is the distance up to here to here. So by this way, suppose this distance is 5 meters, 10 meters, 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, etc. It may be directly we measure it. But suppose this person is moving on zigzag path. Suppose now it is origin point. A person starts walking from here. It goes from here to here. After that, here to here, here to here, here to here. So A, B, C, and D. If suppose this distance is 2 kilometers, here to here 3 kilometers, here to here 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers. So in this way, suppose a person starts from here, that is the origin point. Origin point. Otherwise, we can say that reference point or reference point. And here this person comes and stops. So here will be station point. So now distance, full length of the path between origin point to station point. So total distance is equal to OA plus AB, BC and C. Means we can say that 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 14 kilometers. So in this way, so that is the distance by this. But there are some more paths on which measurement of distances takes place some particular way. Example, suppose a person is moving on a circular path. Suppose when a person moves on circular path, so distance covered by this person will be equal to the circumference of the circle, means perimeter of the circle. So distance covered by person is equal to circumference or perimeter of circle equal to 2 pi r. By this, suppose if a person moves on a square shaped path, when a body moves on a square path, so suppose on a square path, suppose it is origin point, a person starts moving from here. It goes O to A to B, B to C, and comes again C to A. It goes from O to A to B, B to C, and C to O. Again comes here. So because the path is square, so the distance covered by this person will be equal to the perimeter of the square. Square path. So distance covered by person will be equal to perimeter of the square. Perimeter of square means 4 into side. Next, suppose a body, otherwise a person, moves on a rectangular path. Now it is origin and person starts its motion from here. O to A to B, B to C, and again comes on O. So suppose person goes O to A, after that it goes from A to B, B to C, and again comes on O. So for rectangular path, distance covered by body or person is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2L plus B. Very simple. Next point. In next case, I will tell you if a body or a person moves on triangular path. So same it will be perimeter of the triangle. That's all. That is about distance. In the case of distance, some particularities. See this. Actually, we can say that distance is related with the length. Length is measured by meter, so distance is also measured by meter. Means distance is measured by same way as is the measured length. That's all. And in next video, we will see about displacement.